Okay.
Okay, so we're putting some new goldfish in our pond because the raccoon ate the other ones. And what we're going to do, since they just came from the pet store in town, we're going to submerge this into the colder pond to acclimatize it for an hour. And then this will slowly cool the bag of water off here, and then we'll let them out into the pond. So what we're going to do to prevent the raccoon from eating this school of fish is I'm going to put a couple little thin boards across and put a net across at night. Wendy doesn't like that, but in the nighttime and then in the daytime I'll take it off. I'll take the net off. Yes, that's the plan. So what we're going to do is drop this into the pond. I guess we're...
Did you open up the bag?
I got to open up the bag.
We have a tiny little pond.
Yeah, we do, but
just sit it.
I got to get this elastic off here without dropping the fish. Otherwise, they're going to be very upset. Fish. Of course, they put these elastics on here. You can never get them off, right? Let's just break the elastic.
Where's that?
Okay. And then you just sit it in here, he said.
Yep.
Oh, that's okay.
Oh, yeah. Nice.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Oh, it'll just sit like that. Okay, so for an hour.
Yeah.
And then I'm going to time it, and then I'll let them go in there. I'm going to go get the net ready.
Release. So you just caught them, and now you're releasing them.
Yeah, they're from a fish tank, so they'll get a little bit bigger in here. But, you know, one of them made it through the winter until the raccoon came and ate it. So anyway, they should be happy in that pond.
Or a heron. And I think it was a raccoon.
No, I don't think a heron would have got it.
I think it was a raccoon.
Yeah, raccoon got them.
Yeah.
And they'll adapt to that pond easily.
Yeah.
They'll get a little bit bigger, too.
Yeah.
They're nice. I like fish. These goldfish to the water. They've been in here for an hour in this bag. Okay, now we're going to release them into the pond because we got them from the fish tank in the fish store, in the pet shop. Okay, here we go. There you go, fishies. They're in there.
You're in there. Okay.
They're in there. They're in the pond. You got that whole pond yourself. Much better than a fish tank.
Yeah.
And then what we're going to do tonight, we got to remember to put this mesh on.
I think they'll be fine.
Yeah, but I don't want to get them eaten.
Well, that raccoon that was here is gone.
Yeah, but there's other raccoons, so I don't know how this goes on. Probably. That's probably enough to keep them out of there. Let them grow a little bit bigger. Right? We want these.
So when they catch them later, they'll be that much more
They'll be big when they
filling.
catch them next